Zainuddin from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Is it permissible for men to dance in their own home or in the presence of other men?
Imam Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen said, may Allah have mercy on his soul, dancing from women among themselves is inappropriate. And it's even uglier and more inappropriate when it happens from men. The problem we find nowadays is that terms are not defined appropriately. So when we say men, we may differ or have a concept of male, while men is different than male. We could have a male gorilla, we could have a male donkey, but men refers not to the gender, but rather to a position, a status, a group of actions and decisions taken by an individual that classify him to be someone of a gentleman, someone of a gallant person, something that is praiseworthy. How would it be appropriate for a scholar, for a person of Allah, of God, a righteous person, to jump around like a monkey and dance? Definitely dancing would be to music or to a beat, which is prohibited in Islam. If he's dancing without music and without a beat, he's a wacko. But let us assume that he says, well, Sheikh, I dance because I'm happy, because I'd like to do some form of exercises like aerobics, and you do exercise, no problem in that. You do your stretching, you do your cardio, you do your weightlifting. I'm fine with that. To dance and to turn right and left and bend your body in a certain fashion or jump around, this is not manly at all.